Okay, so welcome back everybody, and today let's talk about Fracton Protocol. And check this out. When I go just to check the price, we have up to 25% today. When I'm doing this video, when you watch this video, will be around 8-10 hours after I'm doing this video, and I don't have clue what will be the price. But well done for the protocol, from around a low of 122 and blow up to 155. It's not like to 200% X, but at least we have good 25% up. And that's very interesting, because if you go and check the price, this was launched, the price record what we have here is from 2022, so almost 2 years ago, and the price was sitting around 120, to be honest. Then shoot up around 650 on in year after, like several months after, and then we have nice bottom around and consolidation period for months and months and months, almost a year, it around 120, 130, 180, and then we have dropped down to 119, and today just shoot up right there to 154. Now the question is, how high can this go? Can this go back to all-time high around $7, or maybe we can find some nice floor of about $2-3? But you never know. This is crypto, and that's why I'm doing this video, because you don't know how and what can happen with every single token in the crypto space. That's why I'm coming to very important notice. What's mean? Do not put more money you can afford to lose. This is crypto, and you can lose everything. Make sure you do your own research, because I'm not giving you any financial advice. Again, not financial advice. Your money, your problems, your money, your responsibility. So be a grow up and don't be a crybaby if you lose some money. And if you make some money, go and share with the people around the world, like I'm doing in my amazing donation video. What you can find them right here. Thank you, Cryptophile. I'm helping the poor people in the Philippines, India, and Africa. Also, go and watch this video right here from yesterday. I'm doing giveaway $30 for any comment you're going to leave, and I'm going to choose one lucky winner. And also for the end of the month, I'm going to pick up few lucky winners like every month. Just leave me a comment in every single video. Make sure you must subscribe my social medias, my Telegram, Twitter, and of course YouTube. All right, so let's go back for Fraction Capital. And what the heck is this? Do you know that Fracton, COOL, all right? So Fracton is the first fractionalized protocol who is listed on centralized exchange, and it's listed on KuCoin. KuCoin is a well-known exchange, and right here you will see it's listed right here. What trading volume is almost $500 million, 500,000 millions. All right, well, it's not bad at all. Sorry, $500,000, not 500 millions, 500,000. I almost did a mistake. So the market cap at the moment is around 150,000, and we have the total supply of 100 million tokens. And just to go and check the price again, if you see the last 3 months right here in the last 3 months, you will see that the price was around from April. So April, May, the last 2-3 months, we have around 150, then we have around 110, 120, and it was shared from one of my of my members just to have a check, and I didn't get in yesterday. But that's me, what you can do. But I'm going to do DCA on the way up, to be honest, or if drop down, I'm going to buy a little bit more, just in case. You never know how this can go, because this one is the first fractional protocol and who is listed, as I said, on KuCoin, and I don't be surprised if we have more listing coming out there. Now make sure you read full white paper, because there is a lot of information there can be viewed. So in the nutshell, what the heck is FractionX? So if you go and check the white paper, you will see that FractionX is an industry-leading fractionalized protocol using an omni-layer of infrastructure that reshapes any assets of the best discovery opportunity. Establishing as NFT fractionalized infrastructure, Fracton Protocol boosts a common-based track record. 5,000 blue chip NFT fractionalized, $3.3+ billion in trading volume on KuCoin, LBank, and Uniswap, and 27+ blue chip NFT collected. Okay, so not bad at all. So basically what's doing is fractionalize the NFT, the blue chip NFT, what can make you more affordable for everybody, okay? So if you want to buy one full NFT, let's say it's very expensive, but here you can buy just a small part of that blue chip NFT and you can own that part. What is affordable for everybody because you can take part of every NFT you want in this way. And here if you go to the main website, okay, right here, this is the main website, and here you will see HINFT. So what's High NFT? It's a BRC20 ERC token, okay, BRC, not BSC, BRC 20 ERC20 token that is linked to NFT through Fractionalized. So one High NFT token represent one of 1 million NFT in an on-chain NFT meta swap pool supported by Fracton Protocol, okay? So this is very interesting to know also that the circulation supply of High NFT is equal to the total supply and based on the actual amount of NFT in the NFT meta swap pool. So go and check them out. Definitely I'm going to leave the link down in the description. Go and check them out and you will see here you can go and explore the Fracton NFT pools. You can see CryptoPunks, you can see total value lock 26.6 NFT Ethereum, and then we have Cool Cats, we have 25 locked NFT, and so on and so on, so many. And this is the high NFT market, okay? And this is the top gainers, metaverse, Rs, ENS domains is pretty cool things. You will see the price go up or the price go down, wherever is going up or wherever is going down. So also what they're saying is every single NFT project is carefully selected, where only the most important NFT, okay, what are chosen with a high, huge potential, they can be fractionalized. Not every NFT can be fractionalized. Only wherever they choose, wherever they decide can be fractionalized. What can make all the hidden gems be extremely valuable and extremely hot regarding this project. So what's happened is once they choose the NFT, what they say is these NFT are then sent into Fracton Protocol and upgradable smart contracts where they are secured by Ethereum state machine and they can also be redeemed back. Also by doing this, you getting 50% less gas fees. That's amazing because nobody like gas fee to be too expensive. Each high token right here you will see is present one of a 1 million of the original NFT. The redemption from high token to their original NFTs permissionless through Fracton MetaSwap, a poolless swap where high tokens are instant redeemed to a random NFT in the pool by using Chainlink VRF. And here you will see all the supported community who support the Fracton protocol. Here you will see all of them. All right, so Mutant Ape, we have Beans, we have Meebits, Ampheres, Cool Cats, Clonex, and so on, and so Valhalla, and so on and so on. Okay, so that's about it. Go and follow them and see what's happening out there in the fractal world. Okay, make sure you click all the all their social media so you can check what's happening. If you go to, let me go and open, they are Twitter, there we go. This is their Twitter. They have over 43, almost 44,000 followers and 305 following, also following by KuCoin. They're not extremely active, like posting every day 20-60 posts, but they pretty much are active and they're posting every couple of days new updates of what's happening. You will see that on the May 18 we have couple of, then we have more May 14, May 10. So every couple of days we have new posts by this team. Now it's up to you what you're going to do. If you want to get the token, best is Uniswap. You make sure you use the correct address, or also make sure you go to KuCoin and get the token only wherever you can afford to lose. And again, don't forget to smash the like, subscribe, leave me a comment and let me know what you think about this project. If you want to chat with me, find me in my Telegram, find me in my Twitter, Instagram, and also join all my social media. It's free for you. Goodbye, and I will see you in the next one.